So I started construction when I was very young. Actually, I was 18 years old. And along the years, I work in hospitals as a environmental services director, where I get, a bunch of trainings. And going to constructions and foundation, I do framing, electrical, plumbing, HVAC. And not long ago, I decided to do my company, that's where Caza started. Hello, I am Alfonso Garcia, and I am the owner of Caza General Construction. So what we do is general construction. Basically, we go from foundation to finish. Even small jobs, big jobs, we take care of everything. One of the good reasons to hire Caza General Construction is because when you give us your project, we handle your project. It's not like you're gonna give us your project and we're gonna pass it to somebody else. On that transition, there is make your project more expensive. I have a very good team that take care of every single section in constructions, where electrical, plumbing, excavation, foundation, and obviously the finished part of the project, where is what you see. The team is prepared to handle your project 100%. I know there is a big challenge for our customers when they start doing the remodeling, because they saw their house being destroyed at first. But we explain how the process goes, and every day at the end of the day, we clean the area so that way they know that we are taking care of their houses, because that's where they actually live. We are a family building for families. Our team, it's a family. We take care to each other, and at the same time, we take care of our customers. If you are looking for a company that is gonna handle your project, here we are for you, always to provide you the services, and we work based on your budget. You tell me what you wanna do, we set up a budget, and we respect your budget, and we go and we finish the project for you.